guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. How you guys are doing? So this video is going to be a long video, like, about self-care, makeup, hair care, a whole lot of stuff. So a couple of months ago, I posted like a really simple phone shot reel of Fui. I hope I'm pronouncing the brand's name right. Fui pudding pot. So I have literally nothing on my face. So many of you guys are literally flooding my DMs like, Tiasha, where can I get these? Upload full swatches of this. So let's get started. My nails look so crusty because I cook, I clean, I do all the house chores all myself. So my hands are not pretty when I don't have fake nails on. So let's get started with this one on the shade Cherry. It's such a pretty color, guys, and I really love the texture. Like, it's soft and cushiony. I don't know how to explain this, but it's like really matte, blurry. So I am putting a little bit more so you can understand the shade better, I really love the texture. This is one coat. You can put more if you want more pigment. How beautiful is this color? Back to the second shade. It's called the Girls. Ooh, it's such a beautiful coral red. I mean, if you put gloss on top of this tint, it would look so good. The second coat. Okay, my skin is literally peeling. And this color suits so well with my top. Unfortunately, these are not available in India. I literally had received them as a PR from the brand. I'm really lucky and grateful that I get to try these. But since you guys asked me for the full swatches anyway, so hence I'm doing this video. Let's move on to the next swatch. This is on the shade Lyrics. Everywhere my skin is peeling, like literally. I'm shading, guys. I want to show you like how it feels. Like, it's soft and bouncy and cushiony. Oh. Beautiful. This is the first coat, second coat. It's such a beautiful nude brown. Wow. You can put as much as you want to. Okay, so I'm changing the angle because the sun is almost down. Next, let's swatch Boss. It's a beautiful purple shade on Indian brown skin tone. Purple is the color. This color is so pretty. No wonder why it's called Boss. One coat, second coat. It's such a beautiful color. I mean, literally with a gloss on top of it, I would look fire. Look at that gorgeous color. I'm just posing. Okay, now let's swatch Mule. What is this shade called? Mule. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's such a bright, hot red. Are you guys ready? It's such a beautiful hot red. Beautiful. 2 layers. As a blush. So sun is almost down and it's getting dark. So let's swatch one last shade for you guys. Is on the shade B. B. Let's change the angle once again because I'm moving closer to my window so you guys can see. It's such a beautiful nude brown color. Okay, this one would look so good with a lip liner. I mean, those who have like really fair skin tone, this shade would look fire on them. Second coat application. Oh, okay, it's really subtle. Okay, looks cool. Very subtle color that pays off. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but in real life, it looks so good. Like really perfect for my everyday wear. For me, this shade, I think I got my favorite one. I hope the camera is catching it right. I still have 3 of these left to swatch. Do you guys want to see another swatch? And the sun is still up, so yeah, let's do it. It's on the shade Film. It's such a pretty color. I really love this thing. Tiny bit, popping out, but it's gonna be ruined right now. It's such a beautiful pink. Okay, second coat application. Such a beautiful color. Hope you liked all the swatches. When you do swatches, like you have to literally take off the blush and then apply again, then take it off again, then apply it again and again and again and again. It takes a lot, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Also, I wanted to try clear gloss on this. That's more like it. Do hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Hi! I don't know what got into me today, but I really want to color my hair. And tomorrow my boyfriend is coming and he's gonna go nuts. And I have heard countless good reviews of this brand and I really wanted to try it. Okay, so let's try what color suits me the best. So let's try this virtual try-on tool on their official website Garnier.in. Yeah, I think this color looks really good. I'm using this hair color, guys. It's by the Garnier Color Naturals and it's on the shade 4.20 Wine Burgundy. I don't know if the color will pay off on my black brown hair. Here we have the color. Then we have the developer milk. Inside it we also have 2 sachets of conditioner. I'm really excited, Let's mix it now. This white top is like my really favorite one and it's gonna be ruined for sure. Also guys, make sure your hairs are like completely dry and not oiled or conditioned before so the color sits on really well. Please do patch test at least a day before and don't forget to remove your jewelry. Since I only wear silver, so it's kind of okay for me, so yeah. I'm finally done, guys. So one thing I've really liked about this process is that it's not at all messy. Like my hands are clean and my t-shirt is perfect. So I'm gonna have to leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse and condition. Really stoked to see how it turns out. Yeah. Can you guys see the color already? I can see it. You have to wash your hair color off with just normal water. Okay. I'm gonna keep it for like 10 minutes and then rinse it off. After my hair wash, I just crunched up my curls like that. That color, how beautifully it paid off. Like, so happy. Mind you, I did not bleach my hair and I had literally dark brown hair. Plus my hair feels so soft and like bouncy. Here's the back view. Okay, let's video call my boyfriend and let's see his reaction. কেন ভালো লাগছে না ভালো লাগছে না
বিউটিফুল লাগছে
ভালো লাগছে
সিরিয়াসলি ভালো লাগছে
this one
গার্নিয়ার
হ্যাঁ Garnier সত্যি ভালো লাগছে
বিউটিফুল
thank you love you tata he liked it and I like it as well. Do try it yourself. I am pretty sure you will love it too and the link is in the description. Do check it out and let me know. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it but I am really impressed. Hi. It's almost like late at night and I have to do so many work and I still haven't had my dinner. I didn't have the time to cook. Anyway, let's get that makeup off of my face. And also I had a shoot today. It's just all messy around my house and then my wardrobe, guys. First, let me start with the cleansing and this is the Skin 1004 Centella Light Cleansing Oil. I have heard so many good things about it. And yes, oil cleansing is super important, guys. And I have tiny blackheads and whiteheads like everywhere on my face. By the way, I ordered another wardrobe. Yes, I did. And another sofa. So tomorrow they're all coming and I'm so stressed. Like, and I also wanted to organize my older wardrobe, So I literally took off all of my clothes out of my wardrobe and it's all like literally a heap of mountain. And every time I'm looking at it, I'm just feeling stressed. And it's already like 10:30. I can't see. Actually on summer, like your skin just produce so much sebum. No matter how many times you exfoliate or you use retinoids in your nighttime skincare routine, your skin just gets blackheads and whiteheads. So start oil cleansing if you want to have that glowy glass skin. Now let's go ahead with the cleanser. It's by the Novology, one of the OG cleansers out there. Trust me guys, like it's already finished. I have this much left. The consistency is super nice and really helps with acne. I don't know what's happening these days. I sometimes hear like a high-pitched frequency. You know, I'm trying to like replicate it. I think it's 528 hertz. I don't know, maybe I have angels around. Not kidding. Don't forget to cleanse your face for at least 10 minutes. I'm kidding. At least 2 minutes. Can you believe like one person is living in a 3 BHK flat and still I have no space left? And the reason why I'm buying another sofa and a wardrobe, because you know, recently if you guys noticed, I started a Bengali podcast channel. I'll be bringing those people only whom I like personally, like whose works inspire me personally. So yeah, that's why my guests are super, you know, niche and like really limited. So yesterday night I used retinoids, so my skin is literally peeling. So since my skin is peeling, I'm gonna start with the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. Guys, I really want to bring Bosti Chile Pocha, aka Akash Banerjee, on my podcast as well, but I don't know if he's gonna come, but I'm really a big fan of him. So like if you want to see him as well on my podcast, do tag his channel on my comment sections below so he notices. If you are suffering from severe acne, if you have any pimples at all, you get this serum right now from Nykaa. The link is in the description. You will be mind blown. I mean, I'll have to organize my wardrobe. One of my favorite brands of all time. Since I started my content creation journey, I have been a major fan of Daughter Earth since then till now. Like, I also have a discount code for you guys, so if you want to try Daughter Earth products, like they have amazing makeup products as well, like all natural vegan formulas. Like all of their products are literally gems. Anyway, so recently they sent me this serum to try it out, and by far I'm really loving it. By the way, it's called the Spot Shot Blue Lotus Niacinamide Serum. It really helps with the pigmentation, and as you guys can see, I have a bit here and there post-acne scars of pigmentation. And I'm not gonna use any moisturizer tonight because my skin already looks super hydrated and glowy and plump from within. So yeah, my nighttime skincare routine is done, and now the hardest part, I have to organize my wardrobe. This is my workspace and I really like to see it clean. The angle is weird, and you know what? Literally, the light on my face, come on. My Mac Studio stays on the entire day. I mean, except for 8 hours when I'm sleeping. Except that time, my Mac Studio is on the whole freaking day. I'm so grateful that I invested in Mac Studio. Cannot brag this enough, guys. If you're a content creator, I mean, save up your money and invest in a Mac Studio. This little guy right here. I invested around 5 lakhs. Within 2 months, it gave me back the money. Always buy stuff that will earn you money. This little guy and this little guy where I'm filming, and this little guy, this little guy, this little guy, this little guy, they are my friends that are making me money. Just in case if there's someone who is a young content creator and who has just started in the industry and you know is earning quite good, do not spend away your money foolishly. Okay, enough of the talking. Now I'm gonna play a mantra and clean my space. This version of Kal Bhairava Ashtakam is so beautiful. It's from the Sound of Isha. Just listen to it. Okay, hi again. I literally took out all of my clothings out because I wanted to organize it like, you know, beautifully. It was messy in my wardrobe, and the wardrobe that I ordered and it's coming tomorrow, and I'm gonna keep it like right here. It's an one door wardrobe, you know. Also, I ordered a shoe cabinet, and my boyfriend is also gifting me a huge chest of drawer to keep my artworks in. फाइनली ये আমার ছোট্ট শাড়ি কালেকশন। How cute is this t-shirt? It's from Zara, by the way. Hi! I bought this new sofa for my podcast setup. How cute is this color? I mean, Okay, so it's a sofa cum bed as well, you know, like I do like functional things like that can be used in multiple ways and it's so cute. So for the longest time, I always wanted to do like a literal room tour video, but I did not feel the urge of it because you know my home is my sanctuary. So I post random vlogs, you know, every now and then. So in there, you'll get a glimpse of my sanctuary, my heaven. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment down below like how you like it or what you want to see, so I might film things you want to see in my next video. And also don't forget to subscribe, guys. It really helps. Trust me. I'm really working hard, guys, for you guys, okay? If you want to watch more of these self-care related videos, do let me know in the comment sections down below. I might film, you know, more skincare related videos or hair care related videos or makeup related videos. So yeah, let me know so that I know what you guys want to see, okay? I love you. Bye bye. Take care.